Get away, germs! All right, 6 feet away, social distancing, check. And staying safe. Weird, this is usually Jurgens. Hey all, Wild coming at you, and I just wanted to take this personal moment to make sure that you're all staying safe and healthy, but I actually want to do more or less of a PSA out there on how to grow. And this is more of a personal growth video because a lot of people I see online or on Twitch or on Twitter at the moment say they're going to really use this opportunity of free time to really get their streaming career going, which is nice and that's really good. But there's a lot more you should be doing at the moment now that you have all this time, and there's going to be such a paradigm and dynamic shift in the way the world's going to go forward with what's going on. And I want to make sure you're ahead of the curve. You see, we have such a strong time at the moment because we have more time than ever to pursue your passions and to pursue your dream. Whatever you've been cultivating or incubating within yourself for days, weeks, months, and years, this is the time to let it out and let it shine. You see, I don't want you just wasting your time playing video games or live streaming or wasting it on the couch catching up on your Netflix and Hulu. I want you to start building something right now that's going to give you something huge down the road. There's so many things that you could be doing right now that might lead to financial freedom or genuine huge growth depending on what platform you want to go for, that you could start right now that will snowball as we keep going forward within this huge, change in our world. And I just want to give you a couple of ideas of maybe what that might be so you can get started, okay? Now, if your true passion lies within streaming, that's fine. This moment right here is a great time to start upgrading your streams. Yeah, you can do it on the technology side with better, newer lighting, cameras, visuals, audio, graphics, the whole shebang of everything like that. But it's a really good time to start working on the content you generate within that little video player window there. Work on better first impressions, work on filling the silence, work on finding out what works with your stream and eliminate the stuff that doesn't work. This is a great time to refine your stream to make it bigger and better than everybody else out on the platform. Now, if you want to expand yourself outside of streaming, hey, maybe you've got really good creative writing skills. This is a great time to start working on lesson plans that you could share with other people, or perhaps starting your own ebook, or maybe you have so much potential for content writing that you can even do your own blog. Those are all great ideas. Not to mention, each one of those we just said could be potential revenue income sources for you. If your passions lie in social media, hey, start working and generating better content for social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and yeah, maybe even your OnlyFans page. Wherever you think you can gain traction, start really pushing for it. There's a lot of great things right now that'll even help you make better content out there. Working on visuals, hey, Adobe products right now are free for 2 months during this whole virus thing. I would actually say buy their package because they're offering between 40 and 60% off. That's a huge steal. And you can start generating better content online with using Photoshop for all of your visuals that you need out there. Hey, do you have a really good voice and you want to get your message out there? This is an awesome time to start doing a podcast. People are gobbling up as much content as they possibly can, and a podcast would do fantastic right now that might resonate with an awesome audience out there that wants to share in the same values or entertainment that you could provide. Many people are really worried about their finances at the moment, and that's perfectly fine, and I understand why. Which is why I really recommend this is a great time to start an e-commerce store, or maybe even your own Etsy store. Find ways for you to have potential funnels to create more income into your daily life. Some of these can be passive and some of these can be active. You can do things like selling video or audio clips online. You can even do things like selling your art. There are so many potential ways to make money at home, but you have to build that portfolio first, and now is the moment to do it. If you're not into the cookie cutter format of following something like Etsy or Redbubble or all those type of things out there, that leaves you a perfect opportunity to start your own website. There are so many websites out there right now offering huge discounts on like domain names. Wix and Square right now are offering huge discounts to get you started on your own website. And that is awesome. I really recommend it. I'll put links down below. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I use Wix and I like it, but pick and choose which one's best for you out there and what you need to do. But again, you can open up your own personal store or start your own blog again. There are so many things you can do with your own personal website, and it's best to start it now because it's going to take a while to get into the algorithm and SEOs anyways. So follow your passions and perhaps open up your own website. Building your own website kind of takes a lot of new skills that you have to learn, which leads us into our next one. If this is the moment where you wanted to start really learning new things to expand your possibilities for your day-to-day job, or maybe your streams, or maybe just well within you to be a better person, now's a great time to learn new programs, new skills, new talents. Perhaps you want to learn painting. Hey, you can learn from me on my other channel. I'll be more than happy to teach you there. But you can learn a creative outlet. Hey, you want to learn a new skill for your job? There are so many websites right now giving out free education. You want to learn programming? You want to learn how to do better ways of interacting on social media? There are a lot of free lesson plans that you can gobble up at the moment. Heck, maybe you want to start doing your own YouTube channel, which means you're going to need to know how to use an editing program, which means that you're going to have to learn something like Premiere. Again, Adobe is giving their products out for free for the next 2 months. So why not download it, start recording your own type of content and edit it and learn that skill. Well, I guess that leads us into our next one. I know a ton of people want to start doing YouTube and want to be better on it and bigger on it. So why not start doing that right now? Now is the perfect time. So many people are consuming more content, like we said, that it is the optimum moment to get your content out in front of them so that way it can be consumed. So why not start today? Start generating content. At least start thinking about what content you want to do and make it on your calendar so that way you execute it and get it out there. This is the best time. Now, I know a lot of people struggle with YouTube and how to start, and a lot of people personally ask me to hold their hand and get them going. And I keep kind of pushing it off because I have so many other things with my day-to-day job. But you know what? I'm going to start doing that right now so that way you can get on top of this list and get your stuff out there. So coming up soon, I'm going to start coming out with some YouTube content to help you get it started on your journey. So you're welcome. Look, growing with your stream, yeah, it's important, but you growing as a person, I would say more important. And I want to make sure that you're going to be stable during these uncertain times. Now, if you're only interested in growing your stream, I came out with an awesome video that you should be doing right now to grow. And I'm going to put it over here to the side because I really recommend you check it out. It's going to open up your eyes on how to grow within these next few weeks, which is super awesome. And I just want to say, hey, be safe. And I'm always going to be here for you to make sure that you're going to be bigger and better. And as always, my friends, take care. And of course, peace.